welcome back to my channel. Today we have Color Curate by So Susan. We have August and September here today, so we are going to unbox them both. This is a monthly subscription that is $20.95 per month, and it is always vegan and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and get into August. So August card right here, the theme, the items on the back. There's really no descriptions on it, but you know, we're gonna go ahead and go with it. So the bags here, the bags are always supposed to retail for $12, and they're supposed to be limited edition. I don't really ever use them, but they are cute. They are really, really cute. So let's see, the first item here is Shelly Pong Cosmetics Supernova and Astro Star, and this retails for $18. Let's go ahead and see the color they sent. So that is the colors, and I do love these. You should know that I love these already. Alright, there is the colors swatched. I really like those browns. That's a kind of like a black brown. Really, really pretty. Okay, next thing we got here is Dreammaker Shift Highlighter Lighting Cream, and let's see, highlighting cream, what is this? This is in shade Vision, and this is worth $29. Now I have gotten these before, not in this color, but I have gotten these before. Really, really do love them. Let's go ahead and see the shimmer on this one. Okay, so when it comes out like that. If you're going to use this highlighter, best thing is to put it on the back of your hand and take your highlight brush and work it off your hand onto your face. So let's go ahead and see the shimmers. Okay, that is super pretty. Now clearly you're going to blend it more on your face than that, but I do that basically just so you can see the color. Alright, the next item in that bag is Trill Cosmetics Bon Bon Bling, and it doesn't say the shade on there, does it say on here? Pistachio Butter, that's the name of this color. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, this is a green. Alright, there is the color on my hand. It is a loose pigment, which I don't mind, I do like them. That is a really, really pretty green. Last item in this bag is a bronzing and sculpting palette. And this retails for, let me see, this is Summer Skin. This retails for $42. Okay, so there is the palette, what it looks like on the inside. I don't think I need to swatch that. I mean, they're browns, but maybe I'll swatch it. We'll see. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Those actually really complement my skin tone, so I'm really happy about those shades. Okay, moving on to August's bag. And this one, of course, remember the bag's $12, so moving right along. So here is the card with the theme for August. And of course, the items on the back. First thing we got for August is Illuminating Blush by So Susan. This retails, let's see, this retails for $22.95. So let's open this up. That is what it looks like outside of the box. This says it's in color Rose Rust. There's the color. This is a really beautiful color. Goes great on my skin tone, so really excited about that one. Next we have Lip O Pout by So Susan. This is, I think it's color Cat. I think that's what it said. and it has a longevity of 12 months, so that's good. I really like this packaging. I just think it's cute. Anyways, it is a pink color. We will be swatching. Okay, so this is kind of almost a sheer lip color, which I'm not against because I have this color in a lot of brands, but not a sheer, and I kind of like it in a sheer because it's not as overpowering. All right, the next item we have is Color Trip by So Susan. This retails for $18. This is in shade Addicted. So let's see what this color looks like. Okay, so this is a glitter, and you know I love glitter, so that is that. I am not going to open that and dump it all over the place because I always tend to do that, but I am very much so excited about that glitter. Alright, the last thing we have here is an eyeshadow and highlight palette. And this is Celestina, and this retails for $35. Always with the cute packaging. Alright, there is the packaging on that one. And let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, so that is the inside. And it says you can use this as a highlight or eyeshadow, and I think I'm probably going to try using it as both because I think those colors are super pretty. Like a full face of like both eyeshadow and highlight on it. I think that's gorgeous. But let me go ahead and swatch that. These are gorgeous. Look at that. That is super pretty. Anyways, that is it for August and September's bags. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item or items were. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.